A song that probably at least for the next 5, 10 years doesn't need any introduction. Old Town Road. I think this really appealed to everyone because of the cross-cultural nature of it. Really blending many styles, not really setting out to do anything profound, but therefore doing something that's enjoyable to most human beings at some very low down level. So I think the most interesting thing musically about this song is the use of that major chord to begin with, and then immediately going to the it's changing like a half step. It's not really all in the same key, and because of that parallelism versus diatonic nature, really creates some interesting colors. So anyway, hope you enjoyed. That was 490. We're gonna keep going to 489. Go ahead and like and subscribe. This is gonna just keep on rolling.